Second one is folders. Open menu. Open settings. And open folders in settings. There you can see unread and personal. You can add both and check the home screen. There you can see 3 tabs, all chats, personal and unread. Personal chats are one with people. This doesn't include groups and channels. Unread tab is for unread messages. Now go to settings and open folder. You can create new folder with your own name. Click create new folder and write your folder name and add chats in that folder. So you can see the new folder here. In that folder you can see the only people you've selected. You can delete the folder also. Go to folders in the settings and click the menu beside the folder name which you want to delete. And press delete, and confirm it by delete option.